So today we're going to be looking at is the Aberlite. So this company actually reached out to me, so I guess you could call this semi-promotional, but as always with all the reviews, whether I purchase the razor or the shaver, or a company sends it to me, I'm going to let you know how it is. And these companies all know that because I am not going to be a shill, well, I don't know about regardless of how much money a company pays me. So we're going to open this up and give it a shot. Now this is interesting because I've done a lot of reviews for a lot of razors. And one thing that I've noticed is rotary style, I'm not a big fan of, and this is not a rotary. This is the foil, kind of like the Braun that I did the review on, or the Remington, or the Panasonic. So, or the Manscaped. We're going to open this up. We're going to give this a shot. Now, what's interesting with this is a new company, and this should be the final version, and we should be able to just kind of slide this out because that's how we get access to the actual razor. It is a little bit, it's a little bit tight in there. There we go. And then there's the gold version. They have it in silver and black. Now, what they show is when the guy is shaving, he shaves his head like this. So you have these ergonomic little indents, if you will. And this is going to be your power button, obviously. Inside of the package, get a little box. Inside that, I think this is the final packaging. A little travel case, charging cable, plug. And it looks like a different head, so that's nice. And a little brush. All right. So we just really care about how this works, right? How we open this up, how we clean it. Now, this is important. Someone had said to me in a video, why don't you use shaving cream? When I use razors like this, I typically like dry skin, and on their website, they actually say to use dry skin. You can use an oil, let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, but typically speaking, it's best designed with dry skin, and that's how I prefer it. So on a closer up, right, it does have a good amount of weight to it, and it seems portable. It's definitely a different design. You have your power button there. Oh, wow, and that just, you kind of hold that down, and that's at 100% already. Very easy to use, very easy to operate, and then to change out the head, just kind of pop that off just like that, and then there is, it's interesting how they're kind of staggered like that. We're going to see how this works, man, because I'm very interested. It just snaps on. I mean, it's very, very simple. And then on the back side where your charging port is, you'll see that that's Touch 2, and then it says the name of the color. Obviously, you can see that this is gold. It's rechargeable. It's a model series H100 and 800 milliamps. It's not a lot. It is larger than most of those little ones you hold in the hand. They're like 650, 700. So without further ado, we're going to take the Aberlite Touch 2. I'm not even sure there's a Touch 1. And then see how this actually shaves the head versus the Braun. Okay, so my head is a little sweaty right now. I don't know how much that's done, but I can tell you, using your fingers like that, it doesn't, in order for that to work better, you would have had to make grooves because it goes into a V, right? Your fingers aren't straight, so it's funny holding it like this. It's not, you understand what I'm saying? Like it doesn't make sense. Like this should be concave more, so as you hold it, it feels better because this is not tight, right? It's not saying it's bad. Do I feel like it's better than a Braun? Well, my head is a little sweaty, so stand by. So hopefully my cameraman can show whatever that did. Did it do anything? It sounded like it did something. And the Braun. Can you see the hair? Here we go. Do you see a difference?
Yes.
So let's talk about this real quick. You saw what it did. Not really a whole lot. So you might say, well, you know what? It'd be better for your face. How would you hold this? Because if you hold it like this, right, it's just big, right? And it doesn't make much sense. You can't hold it like this. You're not gonna. I don't know, unless you got some type of, you know, extra coordination. It's not really. I guess you could hold it like this when you would shave, and that might make it better. I don't think it's going to be good for shaving your head, and it can't keep up with soft hair. So you could imagine, you know, the thicker hair. Look, I have the neck right now. Let me just show you what it does to my neck. It's going to rip it out, but whatever. So here you go. You see some hair? It feels like it did something. Did it do anything?
It just looks red.
Oh, okay.
I can't tell if it cut anything.
Okay, well, it sounds like it cut something. I think that's all that matters. It's the thought that counts, right? It's like when you get that birthday card. It's all men that watch this. Get that birthday card, you throw it in the trash can the second they look away. It's the same thing with this.